DeFi is finally as easy as your iPhone, and you won't believe what powers it. Most people miss out on crypto not because it's risky, but because it's ridiculously hard to use. Gas fees in 10 tokens, wallets across 5 chains. It's a mess. DeFi was supposed to democratize finance. Instead, it feels like using dial-up internet in '98. If you've ever bridged tokens and watched them vanish, you know what I mean. DeFi App changes everything. One platform, no gas, no bridging, no headaches. It's the Apple of crypto, and it's live. Beginners and power users are using it today without tutorials or tech drama. Built on Ethereum and Solana with account abstraction, fiat on-ramps, and intent-based UX, it's not just smart, it's seamless. And at the center, the home token, fueling gasless transactions, staking rewards, and real platform governance. Early adopters are already earning 2-3x XP, joining factions, and stacking home as the platform grows. Backers include Mechanism Capital and Layer Zero founders. The upside, just getting started. Want DeFi that actually feels like home? Because in a sea of overcomplicated crypto apps, this is the one that finally gets it right. Save 20% on your trading fees. Join Bitget through our referral link. Trade safe and keep those losses small.